Hi, I'm Dr. Greg, and welcome back to How to Become a Dentist. This is the 6th episode, and today is going to be about how to improve your chances of getting into dental school. Um, this will be a brief segment, um, and the main thing is to give you a chance to improve your chances to get into dental school and get an idea of what it takes to improve your chances. I would say the number one main advantage or factor that's going to get you into dental school is to actually apply early. They have a rolling acceptance, meaning that they don't just wait at any one particular time. So if you have everything ready ahead of time, you improve your chances to get into dental school. It's extremely competitive and expensive. However, you want to get in, and so as early as you can, you want to actually apply to dental school. Go to the websites that we suggested. ADA.org is one of the best accurate resources for you to get information. But apply early. Okay, can't say that strong enough. The other thing is have a high GPA. You want to have a high grade point average. What I mean by that is at least a 3.3, as close to 4.0 as you can. I did not have the highest grade point average. I actually had closer to 3.3. But the next factor is you need to ace the DATs. Okay, the DATs actually is more standardized. It's a way for dental schools to evaluate everybody on the same playing field because everybody has to take it. And I really did well on the DAT. So if your grade point average isn't a 4.0 and it's closer to 3.3, don't panic. But then you know that you really have to emphasize doing well on the DAT. So do well on the DATs. Get much higher than a 17 or an 18, and that really will help guarantee or seal your chances of getting into dental school. Also, if you're at the point where you're in undergrad and you have to make a choice, you have a much better chance if you go to a university rather than a community college, because dental admissions staff, they actually look highly on a university, and if you're a full-time student, because they kind of feel that that's a truer, more challenging indication that you can handle the rigors of a dental school program. Not always. There are some exceptions to the rule, but in this segment, these are things that you want to do that will improve your chances. So if you have an option between a community college and a university, and you have that option, choose the university. That'll weigh much more kindly in your favor. Also, you really need to make sure that you get really good reference letters. So if you have professors that really know you, or if you can, try to establish a rapport with some of your professors, because they really can help you with writing a really great recommendation in your favor. And that really helps in the application process. If you have a great recommendation and the next potential dental school candidate has a medium recommendation, that could be the difference between you getting in and that other student not getting in. So you really want to have a rapport with your professors and get good letters of recommendation. You also should go to maybe a dentist in your area, in your neighborhood, and ask if you could job shadow or volunteer. The more you can do that, the better, because again, you have to remember, when you're being considered to be accepted into a dental school, they're trying to shape that class. They want to have a class of students that are going to be able to succeed. So if you've actually demonstrated an interest in dentistry by volunteering or working in a dental office, and you're able to communicate that in the interview process, you're able to put that in on the application, it just shows that much more dedication on your part, and it improves your chances to get in, versus somebody who has no dental experience at all. So job shadowing and volunteering is a great thing. And then really plan to get an interview. Okay, do well on the test, have your grade point average up, do your dental volunteering, and you need to perfect your skills at interviewing, because that also can be a deal breaker. If you have a good interview and everything else is in place, then you can feel pretty confident that your chances of getting into dental school are really great. All right, so again, this has been another segment. This is number 6. Hope you'll join me on number 7.